Yeah, it must be stopped. Yeah, like accusing girl is something bad thing happening because, and if you accuse someone like she did this, they lying 100% just lying. It's not true.
Now, have you been able to go back to your job?
No, I will never go back there because I don't have dignity anymore.
So what do you do next?
I don't know. I can talk about the future. All the people laughing when they see my face, and I feel embarrassing. So
there's a lot of people that want to see her face if she go back to her work. You know, they looking for her face. Who is that lady? Who you know?
She did this. She did this.
She can go back.
You know, and actually, most people in my culture, they believe guys. They don't believe women. If I tell them like this is not true, even you know our culture is very strong. Even most of the women like me, they believe him. They don't believe me. I didn't do this in Barbados. This is what happened. They don't believe me. They say, stop that. We know you. You are such a whore. Have a good time. That's what they say.
But this is happening to so many girls.
It happened to so many teenagers and girls. And you know, even American history, a lot of colleges, a lot of high schools, a lot of kids, they make suicide for the sake of pictures, trading pictures and naked pictures for. So, this is what's going on here.
Now, are you
to do something?
Are you able? Are you getting any strength from your religion, or are you able to go to the mosque at all?
Actually, that's very, very important thing. You know, the connection between you and God is not something between culture and religion. Is very different. The connection I have my God, it's not something I can negotiate them and I can say I can't go to the mosque because in the mosque they can't say to me anything because everybody comes over there to do something, you know, or to worship God.
So you are able to go?
Yeah, I'm able to go everywhere I can pray. Actually, if anybody needs to speak up, actually it's good for them, but still, I have a lot of girls contacted me, but they are not ready yet, so I don't want to force them and say to them, you have to talk to the media, ask me. So, some people are not strong enough to do this. It's very hard for me to do, but I have to do it because of me. He's saying like, some people contact him, he told them that I'm crazy woman. I'm not okay person. My mind is not okay, so. And I want to tell all Somali community that I am not like that thing that he is saying like she is, because I'm not crazy. I'm okay person, normal person. I had my mental test and I passed and I'm okay person. I'm not crazy person. I did this what he did to me, not for that.
Right, he blackmailed you.
Yeah, he
threatened you.
Yep, that's what happened.
But
nobody is not happy for this situation. Anybody can't be happy this situation. Everybody is dismoral what happened to me. And after that happened, what I did myself, everybody is not happy. And nobody can be happy.
Well,
I feel sad. Except the bad people calling me names and my culture. If you look my culture, even my family, they can't walk out there and talk people because they will tell like, you know, you hear what she did, your cousin, or what she did, your sister. So they feel ashamed too. All family, all my tribe I came from, they feel shame to go out there because they have what happened to me. They embarrass it too.
Well, how long have you been in Minneapolis?
I'm here in United States 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah, but in Minneapolis 4 years.
And how did you meet this guy?
Into the conference room.
On the phone?
Yes.
Oh. Oh. So that's how a lot of people meet. And then you talk, and then you kind of meet, and then you got together, and he drugged you, raped you, and then held it over you.
Yes. He did a lot of things.
Well, I'm glad you're with us.
Yeah.
I'm glad you're being strong.
Thank you.
I'm glad you're telling your message.
Thank you. I am requesting like the legal and rules and American rights to do something for this thing, because it happens a lot of innocent girls like me. So, is there any way they
Repeat
can,
that again?
the legal thing and rules? I need, if they can do something for this, that's good for every girl who has a different culture for American, because I know a lot of different culture people, they have inside a lot of secrets like this happiness all the time.
How many people have actually taken their lives due to something like this?
Maybe every year a lot of thousands, because it's very embarrassing and a shameful thing when you see everybody's holding your picture and saying like, is this you? And keep showing you, you know, some people, even you may understand who's your real friend and who's not, because before this thing happened to me, I did have a lot of friends, like more than 100 friends. After happening, you know, I just have 2 friends, because all of them, they holding the pictures and sending others, you know, and calling names to me. So that's what happened.
Well, we're going to stay with you. We're going to follow you, and we're going to help you do whatever you need to do.